And we're back, and it is COMP392, and it's week 4. Wow, lesson 4, part 1. We're a month in today, right? And part of our broadcast, I'm going to talk about this lab that's due by tonight first, which is this cloud deployment lab that I want you guys all to do if you haven't had a chance to do it in another class. So again, I did the exact same lab last week for COMP397. For those people who are doing web game programming, you're golden. You're gonna and I got some people that already submitted, knowing that. So what am I expecting you guys to do? So if I was to look at it again, the expectations are as follows. So deploy a simple game project, which means a 3JS project for you, to GitHub. Sign up for Microsoft Azure if you haven't signed up already. Some people still haven't done that or whatever. Follow the steps. See the videos to create a web app. And we're going to talk about it today. We're going to do it in class one more time, right? So you see it all, right? After creating your web project, go to publishing and complete the auto deployment steps with GitHub. And then what I want you to submit is the GitHub link for your simple web game project, the web link provided by Microsoft Azure, so it'll be like mygamewebsite.azurewebsites.net. And then note, please ensure that you test your live site and that your index.html is exposed in the root folder before making your final submission, because otherwise you'll see nothing. You'll get an error. It'll be you'll have a non-access error. I don't have access to that resource. Okay, that's your lab. It's due tonight. And it's due tonight by midnight. So again, it's worth 2% of your final mark. And I'm loading it up front here and paying you the 2% so that way you know how to do it. For those people who are going to be doing assignments for this course and for other courses, it's important to know how to do continuous deployment. So instead of having the questions all come down on me on the Friday, which is what happens, right? Friday, I don't know how to do continuous deployment, Tom. You never show me. Well, you got a lab. So you're going to, there's an exercise to do it. And it'll be a chance for you to show and to bang out, to hammer out those issues right now, as opposed to waiting till Friday when you're actually supposed to deploy to do it. That would be bad. Okay, so let's try this out and see what we do. So step number 1, we need a project for this, right? And if I go up online on GitHub, let me just open up a new window here. Hi there. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, that's right. Yes, absolutely. Yes. Let me just stop recording, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. So we're going to do that after the little presentation we're going to have, and I'll come back to you with the further recording when we're back.